Okay guys, back again. We are now in Semarang, Bandeng Juwono Elrina. This is the original where Bandeng Juwono comes from. Let's get into the market. Second floor is a restaurant and then with warung paketan. Which is like a supermarket for souvenir. So many things in here. Cakes, souvenir snacks, some crackers. This is a recording when Idul Fitri 2022. Ongki. And this is lumpia. Yes, they sell lumpia. This is a kind of crackers. That's a kind of jenang mubarok. Some ice cream. There is a pisang sale in the row number 2. And so many crackers. Not everything came from Semarang, but it sometimes came from the all area of Jakarta, of Indonesia, sorry. Crackers, cakes, traditional food for this area, and drink, cold drink, many things with the various prices. Ice cream, and this is special from Semarang, and the cashier. Okay, like that. Thank you for watching. See you in next trip. Bandeng Juwono Elrina.